Jennifer Elizabeth with Perry Pico's Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video is for the Open Collab, hashtag ATC MDC Open Collab, and it is hosted by Tony from Creative Chica Halls and Crafts, Kimmy's Kitchen and More, and Kat Cass in Cali. And we basically make ATC cards, MDC cards, or both, and upload them on Thursdays. I did actually 2 sets of ATC cards for today's video. I wanted to go with a really pretty Valentine's Day theme, and I actually had this, this I got from Temu, this particular crafting paper right here. It's scrapbook paper, and it came in a 12-pack pad. So cute. I used my dollartree sticker gems on the sides and some washi tape. Then on the back, I used some paper from the paper packs from Michael's, and basically you just cut out your ATC cards. They're 2.5 by 3.5, and then I just added some stickers from a Dollar Tree Valentine's Day pack. This washi tape as well is from Temu. Now what I did was I actually made a duplicate of that. And this one I'm going to be sending in friend mail that I'm putting together for a friend for Valentine's Day. And so it's exactly the same. And what I did was with these, I actually made a little pocket. So I left this part open so that I could put in information. And I decided to include in this one some stickers that match with it. So I'm not going to show you all the stickers that I put inside, just in case she's watching this. I want this to be a surprise for her, but basically I left them peeking out like that, and then there's more in between. And I also could put in a card to give my information on there as well, as far as my birthday and things that I like. So that is the first set of ATC cards that I made. The second set, I basically did the same thing. I wanted to keep this one really simple. Both of these actually I wanted to keep very simple this week because I think the papers are just so beautiful. Basically I just used the gems from Dollar Tree. I cut the strip and added them. I used some washi tape, sticker from a sticker pack that I got from Temu, and then this is the back. And again, I made a pocket inside. So this is the one that I'm sending away in friend mail. And again, you can see that there's a pocket. I put a pocket in both of them and a little peek at some of the stickers that are in there. So those are the ATC cards that I made for today's collab. Thank you so much, Tony from Creative Chica Halls and More, Kimmy from Kimmy's Kitchen, and Kat, Cass, and Callie for hosting this collab. It's so much fun. I really do enjoy making these and sharing them with you and seeing everybody else's creations as well. Please go ahead and put in that hashtag ATC MDC Open Collab. Check out everyone else's videos, show them some love, and show the channels that are hosting this collab some love as well. And thank you so much for watching. With all that being said, please don't forget to comment down below, like this video, hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell so you know next time I upload and every time I upload. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.